Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture we are going to discuss that what is the difference between time series and panel data and how to convert time series data into panel data. Then in our next section we will be discussing about that how to check the stationarity of the panel data. As in our previous lectures, we have checked the stationarity of the time series data. Now, in our upcoming sections, we are going to differentiate between time series and panel data, and then we will discuss about how to check the stationarity of the panel data in Stata. So, first of all, we will discuss that what is time series data with examples, as most of the time students are confused that how to know that whether a data set is time series or panel data, as most of the time when students are giving their presentation of their thesis, when someone asks about that either your data is time series or panel data or cross sectional data, students are unable to answer that question that either their data set is time series or panel. So basically what is the major difference? The major difference is that in case of time series data you have multiple years, you maybe have multiple variables, but the entity or the country must be or should be one. So if you have data for multiple indicators for single country with multiple years, that data set is said to be time series data. So here we are different time series. This time series contained data for Pakistan from 1996 to 2019 with 5 indicators: HDI, GOV, GDPG, FDI and GFCF. So this is one time series. And keep in mind that it is not necessary that in case of time series data there should be a country. It may be vary from situation to situation. For example, let's say we can calculate that if here is a bank, so for example State Bank, so here comes the State Bank and we can change the indicator by debit, credit and interest rate. So variables may be different for depending upon the series or the entity. For example, we want to see that from previous 20 years what is the student enrollment in particular university. So here we have to rewrite the country name with the university name, and here we can change the program names BBA, BSAF, MBA and so on, and years may be remain same, or you can convert them to monthly data or semester wise data. So in case of time series data, the country must be remain the same or entity must be remain the same, and you have different indicators and you have different years. Similarly, this is another time series data, and this data set is for another country which is India, and it has different indicators and different years. Similarly, here we have another different country, different indicators and different time series, and here we have another country which is China. We have 5 indicators and we have data from 1996 to 2019. So basically we have 4 different time series, so and with different countries and different indicators. So this is basically the example for time series data. But now how can we convert a particular data set, time series data, into panel data? So basically what we have to do, as I have already created the panel sheet, let me show you. Here as you can see that there is no country name mentioned on the top of the row. There are only indicators, and here we have mentioned the ID. So ID1 is containing the data set for Pakistan, ID2 is the containing data set for India, ID3 is containing the data set for Bangladesh, and ID4 contains the data set for China. So basically what we have done, we have written all indicators name on the top of the row. Then we have paste the data for first country, then from this row to this row we have pasted the data set for another country, and then we have pasted the next country data from this to this row at bottom. So this is how you can convert your time series data into panel data. You have to write all the indicator name only once. On the year column you have to rewrite the year again depending upon your choice. As in my Excel sheet I have mentioned all the years for different countries individually, and I have mentioned the series name as well. So this is how you can convert time series data into panel data. So here there is no discrimination of different countries. So this is a whole sheet contains the data set for one countries. So here this particular column C, this column C contain HDI combined for all four countries. This column contain all countries GOV combined. This column E contain GDPG combined for all four countries, and similarly for these columns. But in case of time series data, individual column represents individual countries data for different periods. But in case of panel data, only one column represent the indicator for all countries. But in case of time series data, different column indicate the different time series for different countries. So this is the difference between time series data and panel data, and this is how you can convert your time series data into panel data.